Here we are at Oaks Southbank in Melbourne. Okay guys, so we've arrived at the Oaks Southbank here in Melbourne. They've given us an upgrade actually, so we just booked a 1-bedroom apartment, but they've upgraded us to a 2-bedroom. So let's have a bit of a look. Walk straight in the door. You've got your own stove, microwave, sink, toaster, kettle, all you'd expect. Some utensils up there. It's 1 bedroom in here and 1 bedroom in here. So you've got a queen size in here. Got the fan on for you already, which is really good. I like it when they take the initiative to do that. So is there 2 bathrooms though? Let's have a look. Okay, so yeah, so there is. There's 2 bathrooms apparently. This one's obviously toilet, bath, normal stuff, shower. Got a couple of comfortable pillows there. Ooh la la. The ooh la la is in reference to another blogger in Bali who reviews hotels, and he says, "We've got some soft cushions. Ooh la la."
Soft cushions.
So here's the other bedroom. Fan here as well. Nice bit of wall art. Plenty of room there to unpack if you're staying a few days. What we got in here? Okay, main bathroom, shower. Do we have a... Let me see, I reckon we might have... Yep. Like all good apartments, we've got dryer and washing machine, which is good. Let's go out and have a look at our kitchen, our lounge room area. So out here, we've got a big screen TV, some nice views. We've got a little couch, table.
Outside too.
Rebecca's outside. Let's go and have a look. Okay, so straight down there is the Yarra River and Southbank. Heading back that way towards the Arts Centre, and up this way towards Crown Casino, and for anyone who's been up there, Eureka Skydeck. So right in the middle of everything, good area. So hopefully the beds are comfortable. Looks like a really good place to stay. It was a little bit on the expensive side tonight, but the Grand Prix is in town this weekend in Melbourne, so I would say normally it's probably be at least 20% cheaper than what we paid for. We paid around $300 for one night. A little bit extravagant, but we were coming to the city for something else, so we thought we might as well stay. So yeah, so far impressive. So the Oaks on Southbank, look, it's in a really good location because as you can see, the Yarra is just down there in the distance. There's a car park just over the road here that you can see. It's at Eureka, so at the Skydeck. So you can park there. We parked here overnight, cost about $31. So the value of parking was pretty good because in Melbourne these days it can cost you anywhere up to $50 to park at a hotel. One thing here about the Oaks though is really it's just an apartment building, and they've rented some rooms in there because there's no bar, there's no kitchen, there's no facilities in here basically whatsoever except for some rooms. So don't be fooled if you're looking for somewhere where you can go and sit down and have a drink or something like that. Oaks on Southbank is definitely not the place for you.